I'm Froggy.
I'm Little Froggy.
And we are at Toy Fair 2019, getting ready to see what's new from Hasbro. Cutie Mart Crew has a whole new experience. With these My Little Pony collectibles, you just pull down, then pull the string to start the party. There's over 100 to collect and 24 rare ones. Rainbow Road Trip is coming out summer 2019. It's a new My Little Pony movie, and here are some of the toys inspired by the film. With Rainbow Tail Surprise, you get the whole squad in vinyl figures, and when you dip their tails in water, they change color. Oh my giggles. Pinkie Pie is motion activated, and she's ticklish. This is the Friends of Equestria collection, where you get all of the ponies and their friends with stylable mane and tail. On the go, take your ponies wherever you go, along with some accessories. Everything stores in this little purse. Have fun styling Rarity and Pinkie Pie's hair with the magical salon. Princess Luna is all sparkly. Look at the princesses, they're so glittery. Rainbow Lights are sea ponies that are all about water play. They float and have cool colors. And here is the Ultimate Equestria collection. All of your favorite ponies, just larger. My Little Pony Equestria Girls. These minis are all about fashion. Their accessories snap on. And we can expect to see Twilight Sparkle and Fluttershy this fall. The 12-inch My Little Pony Equestria Girls show us some new styles. I love the casual look. The Trolls are turning 60 this year, so to celebrate, they are bringing back some original styles. These will be available this fall. And just because we love the Trolls movie so much, there are a lot of new blind bags to collect. 36 in all, coming out this spring, along with the Catter Bus, where you can display your collectibles. October 1st, you can look for Pop Star Poppy, who will sing songs from the upcoming film released in 2020.
Lost Kitties Mice Mania. Mice are added to Lost Kitties for Series 3. There will be a multi-pack and single packs. These are mice minis. They look like a little wheel of cheese. And there is shaping compound and a mouse inside. Easy Squeeze looks like a can of cheese. When you take off the top, there's a kitty and shaping compound inside with a few mice.
Littlest Pet Shop, Lucky Pets. These surprise boxes look like giant fortune cookies. When you open them up, there is a Littlest Pet Shop figure, accessories, and a fortune inside. My crystal ball says you'll get a Littlest Pet Shop surprise! This fall, there will be a crystal ball that has Littlest Pet Shop surprises inside, and you can make a fortune catcher. The Fortune Surprise has a minifigure inside, and it's shaped like a magic lamp. The roll and reveal comes with dice, and there are 10 surprises inside. I am very excited to see all of this in stores for 2019.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye!